Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope you've subscribed, and if you haven't, make sure you do. And thank you to those that have already. Remember to ring the bell option so that you don't miss any of my newest published videos. So what is my tip for the day today? I have lots of different tips. One of my tips is, if you haven't guessed already, are toasting your different nuts. I love almonds, I love pecans, I love cashews, and I love mixing them all together. I just buy them at Walmart or Costco, whatever's on sale or the lowest prices, okay? And I like to keep them in my freezer. They stay fresher for a longer period of time. Simply just take a cookie sheet. I just put it in my little tiny toaster oven. But if you want to make a lot, use a big cookie sheet. Take some tin foil, add a little bit of spray, olive oil spray, and that's what I do. I just add a little bit of olive oil spray and some pink Himalayan salt, or you can use some kosher salt or no salt, but it adds just a little bit just to bring out the flavor, and you want to get them nice and brown. So I put it on about 400 for a couple of minutes, and then I just watch it and toss them over, and you can add a little bit more olive oil spray. Although if you've sprayed your pan, then they're usually fine just on one side. And the great thing about almonds, or most nuts, is, like it says, high source of fiber, good source of iron, and they're also just really great high protein. Of course, you need to be mindful, and I've been mindful on my health journey, but they're so delicious, and I add them to my salads. You can crush them up, add them to inside my banana breads or any kind of my breads that I make, or muffins. Of course, I love them sprinkled on a salad, in your cereal, your overnight oats, whatever. I have tons of recipes that are versatile, and you can be creative. Another tip is that I love to put them for a snack in some cereal with a little bit of sugar-free chocolate chips. Or I also really love making sugar-free pudding, and you can add some on top of that to give it some more protein and fiber. So the other thing that you do after you've baked them is let them cool, and then add them to a Tupperware so that you can keep them fresh. I like storing them in the freezer. They last a lot longer, or in a darker, cooler place. A great idea if you have company, and you can even add, like, put them together and then add some craisins. You could add some coconut and chocolate chips all together, and they make a really nice little snack, even for yourself, for company. All right, and a great treat, because again, on our health journey, we need to be able to eat everything in moderation. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, making different types of nuts, easy, simple. All right. Sometimes we just need to get creative. You can add them on your frozen yogurt. You can add them on some Cool Whip. All right. There's lots of ideas. I can't wait to hear how you use them. And don't forget, remember to tag me if you've made any of my other recipes, or even just that you've baked them and you love this idea. And my Facebook group is WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. So that's it. I love you guys. Can't wait to hear your comments. Take care. Bye for now.